A tragic incident has shaken the business community in Bengaluru and Kerala. Confident Group chairman C.J. Roy, a well-known real estate tycoon, died by suicide during an income tax department search operation at his Bengaluru office. The 57-year-old businessman was found dead at his office in Langford town, Bengaluru, after sustaining a gunshot injury to the chest. The incident occurred on January 30th, 2026, during an ongoing income tax search. What makes this case more disturbing is the recovery of a 9-page handwritten note, now being examined as a crucial evidence by the Special Investigation Team. According to preliminary reports, a team of income tax officials from Kerala and Bengaluru had been conducting searches at the Confident Group office for 3 consecutive days. This operation was part of an continuation of a larger raid conducted earlier, during which documents were seized and financial records were examined. Between 3 p.m. and 3:10 p.m., C.J. Roy alleged shot himself on the left side of his chest using a pistol. The weapon is believed to be licensed, though official verification is still ongoing. The suicide reportedly took place while the income tax search was still in process inside the same premises, a detail that has raised serious question about safety protocols. Investigators later recovered a 9-page handwritten note from the office. Sources say the note contains personal details, financial information, business instructions, family messages, successor planning, employee protection directives. In the note, C.J. Roy apologized to his family, sought forgiveness, described his final decision, gave a clear instruction on company management, mentioned money owed to him, outlined financial responsibilities, requested that long-serving employees must be protected, urged that loyal staff should not be removed or sidelined. The note also cleared mentions who should handle the company's affair after his death. Police officials say the note is now a key piece of evidence in the case. The Special Investigation Team has begun a recording statement from C.J. Roy's wife and children. Investigators believe his wife holds crucial knowledge of his financial and business matters. Sources also reveal that Roy had previously shared many of these details with her and had spoken about similar issues in a recent YouTube interview. Forensic teams are now examining the handwritten note, the fire alarm, office CCTV footage, a timeline of events, forensic evidence, a sequence of the income tax search, movement of the officials and staffs, circumstance of the shooting. The SIT is trying to establish whether protocols were followed, whether safety measures were in place, whether the tragedy could have been prevented. The case has now taken a political turn. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has returned to Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, demanding a judicial inquiry into C.J. Roy's death. He stated that an internal departmental probe would not inspire public confidence and called for a commission of inquiry headed by a former Constitutional Court judge. In his letter, the Chief Minister said the incident has shocked civil society and the business community. It raises serious concerns about enforcement procedures. There appears to be a lapse in safety protocol. The premises were under official control during the search. Access to a fire alarm during such an operation shows failure of safeguards. He also referred to allegations by Roy's brother, who claimed that Roy had cooperated fully with officials but faced repeated visits and pressure. The Chief Minister stressed that tax enforcement is necessary, but no operation should lead to loss of a human life. Such incidents cannot be justified in a democratic society. Dr. Roy was the founder and chairman of the Confident Group. He built the company into a multi-state and international business empire with operations in Bengaluru, multiple Indian states, Dubai, Middle East countries. The group worked in real estate, hospitality, environment. Confident Group was known for over 65 completed projects, a rare zero-depth business model, strong expansion strategy. C.J. Roy also served as honorary consult of the Slovak Republic, a supporter of social welfare initiatives. His company had earlier been involved in tax-related legal disputes before the income tax and the Karnataka High Court. The death of C.J. Roy is not just a tragic personal loss, it has become a national issue of accountability, safety and institutional responsibility. With a detailed suicide note, ongoing SIT investigation, forensic analysis, family statements, political intervention, demand for judicial inquiry. This case is now moving beyond a suicide investigation into a larger question of governance, procedure, and human cost. The nation now waits for answers, and not just about what happened, but about how it happened and whether it could have been prevented.